the normal powdered mask cannot pull out whitehead. It cannot pull out blackhead. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So what I want to do today is that I'm gonna be taking you through how I do my acne routine. Yes, today is Saturday and Saturdays are for face masking. On this channel I DIY peel off charcoal face mask, so kindly go check that video out in case you want to know how you can make your own peel off face mask. Check that video out. It's a simple DIY you can make with one or two things you can get easily and make your own peel off face mask. Now, why do we need peel off face masks? Peel off face mask is very good for those acne skins, especially those that have whitehead, blackhead on their face. Like the normal powdered mask cannot pull out whitehead, it cannot pull out blackhead, because I don't know if you really know what blackhead and whitehead are, but I'll be putting it up on the screen right now. So I hope you can see what blackhead and whitehead is. Then imagine you applying just ordinary powder thinking it will draw out that blackhead or whitehead. No, it's not possible. A powdered face mask will only work on the surface of your face by drying up your acne, giving you that glow and flawless face, depending on the kind of face mask you apply, because we have different types of face masks that serves different purposes. Yeah, depending on the kind of face mask you applied, it will only work on the surface. Yeah, it will not pull out the whiteheads or the pimples, that is the blackhead that are being hidden under or beneath your face or beneath your skin. So that is why once in a while, let's say take for an instance 2 to 3 times in a week, for a kind of person that is having a severe blackhead and whitehead, it's recommended that you apply a peel off charcoal face mask to deep cleanses your face and draw out every whitehead or blackhead that you may have, because having a blackhead or whitehead does not even make your face smooth, does not give you that flawless looking face, especially when you apply makeup, especially when you apply foundation on your face. You know, you have this rough look at the end of your makeup. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll be showing you right away the product I want to use, and the product is, so the name of this facial face mask is Dead Sea Mud Peel Off Facial Mask. Yes, this facial mask is packed with collagen. It whitens and brightens the complexion. It deep cleans and purifies the skin. So you see what I mean? What I mean by you need a mask that will deep cleanse. When I mean deep cleanse, like go beneath inside your skin and pull out every impurities that is on your face. So I'll be trying this facial mask, yeah, just because I want to take off the blackhead and the whitehead on my face. So 2 times or 3 times in a week, this is my own routine to take off whitehead, because it does not make sense picking your face every time. The more you pick your face, the more you're worsening the acne. So the best thing is for you to just apply a mask that will draw out those whitehead or blackhead hiding beneath your skin. Then I use my normal face powdered mask. So this is my product and it is a face powdered mask. This one, what it does is that it contains rosehip powder, it contains hibiscus powder, so it reduces oil production, it dries up acne, it clears stubborn spots and closes open pores. When I mean open pores, yes, I'm this kind of person that I have open pores. Well, I don't really know if you can see this, but I have open pores. Yes, this one is a scar. What you're seeing here, this one is a scar. Yeah, I got this when I was a kid. So but I do have open pores. So basically, let me tell you how I take off my whiteheads. I use my peel off charcoal mask. So it's either I make my own DIY, exactly the one I did on my channel, on this channel, or I use something like this. This is my first time trying this. Yeah, I'm gonna try this and you will all see how it goes. Yeah, or I use something like this because I cannot start making, yeah, I have a whole lot of things to do today, so I'm gonna use this instead of me making my own face peel off mask. So I use my peel off face mask just to pull off the whitehead and blackhead 3 times in a week. Then I use my normal powdered face mask 2 times in a week. Yes, 2 times in a week. You can also use it 3 times in a week, but that is basically the way I use my facial mask. So I'm gonna bring this out. So this is how it looks like. So at this stage, I've already washed my face with warm water, so all my pores are open right now. They are ready to receive this. So it's opened already. I've opened it. So what I will do is that I'll go in and apply this on my face. Yeah, it's so jelly. So this mask I'm using contains bamboo stick. Yeah, it contains bamboo stick, and the mud in it is being gotten from River Jordan. I can't believe I'm making use of River Jordan's mud on my face. Yeah, all those places I'm applying this to now. I used to have serious whitehead, especially on my nose, so you have to concentrate on those places you used to have whitehead, blackhead. You cover up those places with this mud. Yeah, all those places I used to have whitehead, blackheads there, so I want to make sure I cover up, I max it enough so that I'll be able to pull all that out. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That is it though. So I'm going to wait 15 to 25 minutes for this face mask to dry. I just have to wait so that the face mask will dry. When the face mask dry, then I'll come back and pull it off. Bobo, say hi. There's not enough. Bobo, stop eating your lips. Bobo, you have to go. So I'm back. I can't even talk properly because the thing is pulling the whole of my mouth. Yeah, so you can see it's very dry now. You can see nothing on my hand. So if you want to apply this, please do not pour the whole thing on your face. If you want to apply this, apply on a thin layer. I added much of it. If you can see, I added much of it, so just apply on a thin layer, just like something this way, on a thin layer like this, on a thin layer. So apply on a thin layer. So I'm gonna be pulling this off right away. So if you want to start pulling off anything face mask, you have to start from the side. Yeah, from the side. You have to start pulling off from the side this way. So the way I start pulling off my face mask, I first of all do it this way. You can see the way I'm doing it now, so that I'll be able to see a tip to hold on to. So now I have a tip to hold on to. Then you start pulling. So by pulling this, it's gonna pull out every impurities, every white edge, black edge. Yeah, it's gonna pull them out. So guys, this actually pulled out. Wow, see white edge. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a picture of this and display on the screen. Yeah, this actually pulled out a whole lot of my white edge, believe me. I'm done pulling off the mask, and oh my god, the feel alone, I'm loving my face. Taking off my whitehead alone is the deepest cleansing I can ever have in this life. So right away now, I will go straight to the bedroom, have my bath. Now after I have my bath, I will apply my face cream and I'm done. This is how I take off my whitehead, my blackheads. Then tomorrow I'll be going into work with my face masks and showing you the main pimples or acne products I use to control my acne. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.